Remember to subscribe to Bad Bank's YouTube channel for easy access to all our how-to and inspirational videos. Welcome to Bad Bank's video about why we start with PDFs and why we don't prefer direct bank connects for data. Why does Bad Bank want you to start your processing with original bank-generated PDF files? Because credit card and bank company-issued PDF statements are the source of truth and trusted by organizations like the IRS. Since the Adobe Corporation created the PDF standard in the 1990s, the format has become a most trusted business document format. Scanned statements and CSV downloads simply cannot guarantee the same level of data integrity. Bad Bank always starts with the gold standard bank and credit card company issued PDF statements because that's the way that you will truly have control over your own financial data, no matter how many times you might reorganize, rename, redact, or aggregate transactions. Banks and credit card companies enable you to directly download a few years' worth of your PDF statements. By law, financial institutions must keep your statements, for deposits over $100, for 5 years, and so if you can't download them, you can call the institution for access. Similarly, direct connections that bring data directly into your accounting system from a bank or credit company is not in line with the Bad Bank philosophy of giving you the ultimate control over your own data. Here's why. First, if you direct connect, you don't have that source of truth that you can always go back to. With computer file storage so efficient today, it really is best practice to download those gold standard PDFs and keep them. Once your transactions are inside an accounting system, that accounting system cannot go backwards and create a legal statement for you. Second, direct connection feeds do not guarantee that transactions are not lost or duplicated because the direct connection transactions are not pre-reconciled and do not have unique ID numbers that stop duplications. We have covered this at length in our Fix Drop Transactions video. The third reason that Bad Bank doesn't prefer direct connects is because the banks go through great lengths to warn you that they are no longer liable for whatever third parties do with your data. This is inconsistent with Bad Bank's mission to give you better control over your own financial data. And although third parties are also very transparent about telling you what they do with your information, you have to take the time to search for that information in their privacy policies and terms and conditions. They will tell you what they are doing with or how they are selling your information. This moving target is, again, inconsistent with Bad Bank's mission to give you better control over your own financial data. And as is stated clearly on our website and in our privacy policy, Bad Bank does not and never will sell your information. We are a data processing service that aims to save you time and money.
We invite you to subscribe to Bad Bank's YouTube channel for easy access to insightful and inspirational videos.